everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are diving into two fundamental teaching approaches, which is student-centered and teacher-centered. So let's explore what they are, their characteristics, and how they impact the learning. So first and foremost, let's talk about the teacher-centered approaches. In a teacher-centered approach, the teacher is the primary authority figure. This method is often referred to a direct instruction. So here, the teacher will control what is to be taught and how students receive the information. For the characteristics of this approach include students are passive listeners, social skills are less emphasized, teacher leadership is autocratic, teacher control teaching and learning activities. So now, let's shift our focus to the student-centered approach. In a student-centered approach, the emphasis is on the learner's role in learning process. This method is sometimes called discovery learning, inductive learning, or inquiry learning. So here, the teacher will set the learning agenda but has less direct control over how students learn. For the characteristics of this approach include students are actively and creatively involved, focus on achieving learning outcomes, effective communication, self-discovery learning, emphasis on social skills. So now, let's dive more deeper into some specific teaching methods that align with these approaches. So for teacher-centered method, we have lecture. The teacher delivers content directly to students. For demonstration, the teacher will show how to perform a task or skill. And for the simulation, the student will engage in role-play scenarios to apply the knowledge. But for student-centered method, we have project-based learning, which is students will work on long-term projects to have their deeper understanding. Then, inquiry-based learning. The student will explore the question and conduct research to find the answers. And then, guided discovery. Student will solve the problem with some guidance from the teachers. Another important concept is the spectrum of teaching style developed by Mostyn and Ashford. This spectrum ranges from teacher-centered to student-centered styles. The spectrum includes styles such as teacher will make all the decisions and student will carry out the task by the teacher. And the student also will work in pairs and providing feedback to each other. For self-check, the student will assess their own performance. And in inclusion, multiple level or performance to accommodate all learners. So, which approach is better? Well, it depends on the context and the needs of the student. Both approaches have their strengths and can be effective when used appropriately. So basically, in practice, many teachers blend both approaches to create a balanced and dynamic learning environment. So the key is to understand the needs of students and adapt your teaching method accordingly. So that's all for today's vlog on student-centered and teacher-centered. I hope you will find this helpful information. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more educational content. See you next time.